This is question number 1 on the June 2015 calculator paper. Okay, let's look at the question. The question starts off by saying Uditi has a bag of chocolate sweets. There are 30 sweets in the bag. The table shows the types of sweets in the bag. So there's dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, the strawberry, caramel, and nut versions of each of those different types of chocolate. Uditi takes a random sweet from the bag, so a random sweet is taken. Write down the probability that the sweet is a dark chocolate caramel. So dark chocolate caramel, looking at the table, I can see there's a dark chocolate version of the chocolate and there's a caramel version of that. So there's one dark chocolate caramel. And remember, there are 30 sweets altogether, so the probability of picking a dark chocolate caramel sweet is 1/30. That's straightforward enough. Part B says work out the probability that the sweet is a white chocolate. So a white chocolate, there's a strawberry, caramel, and nut version of that. So I need to work out how many white chocolates there are altogether by adding up those. So that's 1 plus 4 plus 4. That's 9 white chocolates altogether. That means that's 9 out of 30. I could simplify that down. If I divide both of those by 3, 3 can go into 9 and 3 can go into 30. 3 into 9, 3. 3 into 30, 10. So writing it in its simplest form, it's 3/10. That question is straightforward enough. Right, if I just shuffle it up a bit, you can see everything there. There are 3 marks so far in question 1. It's pretty straightforward. Let's look at part B. Okay, looking at part B, it says there are some dark chocolate, some milk chocolate, and some white chocolates in a box. The table below shows the probability that a chocolate taken at random from the box is dark chocolate or is milk chocolate. So dark chocolate, its probability is 0.35. Milk chocolate, its probability is 0.17. A chocolate is taken at random from the box. Work out the probability that the chocolate is a white chocolate. So in other words, I want to work out what's in that section of the table. One of the things you do need to remember with regard to probabilities, and especially of questions of this type, the probabilities all sum to 1. Okay, and we're going to use that fact to help us work out the probability of picking a white chocolate. So therefore, if I add the probability of a dark chocolate, 0.35, to the probability of a white chocolate, plus 0.17. Remember, this is a calculator paper, so I'm going to take advantage of that and use my calculator. 0.35 plus 0.17 equals, and that's 0.52. And the probability, therefore, of picking a white chocolate is going to be 1 take away 0.52. Again, using my calculator. Remember, it's a calculator paper. 1 take away 0.52 equals 0.48. 0.48. And that is the probability of picking a white chocolate. This is the first question on the paper. It's worth 5 marks altogether. It is a pretty straightforward question. You should be able to do it and get all the marks in it.